even more convenient. Now you can enable an automatic installation of your BMW Remote Software Upgrades. Simply follow the push notification when a new update is available. On the Remote Software Upgrade page, you will be offered to activate the new Auto Install function. After activation, all future updates will be installed automatically, without any manual efforts from your side. Before each update, make sure your vehicle is parked safely, as you can't move it while the installation is running. No worries! With Auto Install, you won't miss anything. Notifications inform you about the scheduled installation once a new update is ready to install. Of course, you can adjust the settings at any time. Is the pre-selected installing time inconvenient? Simply change the installation time. Do you have other plans today? Just skip the execution to the next day and the installation date adapts automatically. Too excited to wait? Just trigger the installation manually by clicking on Start Now. Enjoy a new BMW experience and always stay up to date.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?